Today we have a video from Watch Cop Cam, and the title of the video is "Woman Thinks She Can Escape Police, Now Faces the Consequences."
On October 11th, 2024, officers responded to a Walmart for a shoplifting complaint.
She got rid of her stuff.
Okay. Got rid of what?
And the other one,
who's
your friend, ma'am?
Who?
The one you were in the store with.
Got rid of what?
curtains.
Curtains?
Yes.
Where's the curtains?
I have no video.
Okay, where's the curtains right now?
You got rid of them. I need to know where your phone is.
Where?
Do you have an ID with you at all?
No, I do not.
Okay, do you have a driver's license?
No, I do not.
Do you have a
Of course I don't.
Yeah.
Let's go talk to the LP officer. We're going to follow you this way.
Come in the office from where?
What's that?
Come in the office from where?
I'm investigating a retail theft. So
what
until we figure things out,
me?
right now you're detained, okay? Until we figure things out, then we can release you.
But for what though?
What's your question? Sorry.
Because y'all saying that I'm just
So,
for what?
per state statute in Wisconsin, retail theft also constitutes for concealing. They're claiming that you were concealing merchandise. So right
I don't have
hear me
anything
out.
on me.
Hear me
I have you
out.
on video camera.
But I don't have anything
Hear me
on me.
out.
Did you hear what you said?
Hear me
No,
out.
I don't. I didn't.
Hear me out. I'm gonna watch these cameras, and if it shows otherwise, you're gonna be under arrest for retail theft. So,
But why? I don't have nothing on me, sir.
That's fine. What about your other? What about your
I
friend?
don't know about nobody else.
Okay.
Y'all see me
So that's
right
what
now. That's what I'm saying.
That's what we're investigating, okay? So let's go in the LP office and we can talk.
But for what though? I didn't do nothing.
Listen to me. I'm not gonna ask you again, okay? Let's go in the LP office and we can talk.
My boy got his gloves on early,
But
boy.
for what though?
We can talk. Let's go.
For what though?
Ma'am, I'm not gonna ask you again. Otherwise, I'll put you in cuffs, and I don't want to do that.
For what you
We
said
can talk in the LP
He's
office.
concerned you conceal items, and that's a crime. You understand what I'm saying?
Right, but he's saying that I don't have nothing though. That's
Right now you don't, correct, but in the store it's the same thing.
Yeah,
It doesn't matter.
conceal.
The crime was committed the moment you conceal anything. So let's talk in the LP office, we can go from there.
So what you saying right now?
You don't have to walk past the last point of sale in the state of Wisconsin. If you conceal
You
it,
said what?
we can...
Rip tags off the curtains and put them in.
You're gonna get tased! You're gonna get tased! You're gonna get tased!
Okay.
326, taser deployed.
Okay.
Hands behind your back!
Okay,
Hands,
dang.
you're gonna get it again! Put your hands
Okay,
behind your back!
sir. Okay.
Hands behind your back!
All right.
Now!
All right, sir.
On
Stop.
the ground, you can get it!
Okay, no,
You're
stop,
gonna get
please.
it.
Look.
You're gonna get it!
Get down,
Look,
get down,
okay,
get
okay,
down.
y'all, look,
Get
please
down.
stop.
No,
No, please stop,
No.
please.
No.
I didn't do it. I don't have nothing. Come on, finna stand up.
Dummy.
I'll stand up. Let me put on my shirt, please.
Stand up. It's okay, you ain't going nowhere.
Okay.
So you might
All right. No, wait. No, I want to put on my shirt.
no.
Look.
No, you
My
have
arm.
no. It doesn't matter.
My
You have
arm
the
now.
it doesn't matter. You have
Ma'am.
the opportunity to be cooperative. You did. So you're in the situation because you're in because you did it.
I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing, though.
On the ground we go.
Stand up.
Okay.
You wanna go on the ground?
No.
Just turn
Can
your
y'all stop?
No, huh?
Can y'all stop? Well, I'm the one who wanted to do it. I didn't take nothing. I didn't take
Man,
nothing.
you're gonna get it again. You're gonna get tased again.
Why? I'm not running from you or nothing.
up.
Stand up.
But look.
You're still
Stand.
resisting.
Love.
No, I'm not.
Stop resisting. Stand up.
Okay.
Hands behind your
All right,
back.
can we just go in the office?
It's too late.
Yeah. I'm not resisting.
Take her to the
Okay,
ground.
stop.
Take her to the
Okay,
ground,
why
cause
is
she's.
it my down?
Put your
Stop.
hand behind your back.
All right.
Stop resisting. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Put your hand behind your back. I'm gonna take this off.
Okay.
Don't clench up again.
Please, yo.
Huh? Stay down.
Please, yo.
You're making life harder for yourself.
Okay.
Sweetie. I got you.
Can we still go in the office?
Nope, we're past that. You're going to jail.
How?
You're going to jail now.
But you just said what? Because y'all trying to say that I took the stuff, y'all.
All right.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Now it's another
sir.
charge.
No, I'm not doing that. Okay. Sir, you literally said once we went in the office that we was going to watch the video.
Hold on, because we got wires all over.
Yep.
Did you rip them?
Oh, yeah.
Wait, why is that?
Hold on.
Oh,
You gotta listen to his love.
I am. I'm
Too
trying
much.
to.
Got her
Just
ass
lay flat.
together.
You're fine. You're not going anywhere. We got to get the paramedics out here to move these prongs out of you.
Oh.
Just lay flat. I'm gonna lay this down.
Ma'am, can you put my phone in front of me?
Hold on.
In front of me? please?
No, ma'am.
You say no?
Yep, give me a second. Your phone is the last thing I'm worried about. Your purse, last thing I'm worried about.
Okay.
Just roll. Yep, roll your body over. Roll your waist over. Don't try to get up, just lay flat.
Wait, what you mean?
Lay flat, lay flat. Just lay flat.
Wait, my purse in the ground.
Hold it down here. Can't sit on your butt. You have a whole prone in your butt. Right here, sorry. Lay flat.
Hit her ass with that taser. She went down. She went down like a sack of potatoes, boy.
I mean, you guys, tell it to me. I can get it. We're going to get it regardless. What's the name? What site? Finley. Finley. Sykes, S-Y-K-E-S. All right. What's your date of birth?
Oh, wait.
Nope.
When y'all go, no, when y'all go get my hat off the ground, please? It's a Gucci hat, please. It's like in the middle. I need all my belongings. Can when y'all go grab my hat?
Not right
We
now.
can figure things out. Stand by.
But y'all supposed to grab all my belongings.
Are we required to? Is that the law?
Yeah, y'all have
Okay.
to.
No, it's not.
You have a prone in your ass. Lay flat. I'm trying to help you out.
Okay, I'm
2,000, you say? Ma'am?
Ah, shit!
Okay.
Joey.
Wait, it's still in there?
Yep.
Hold on. You gotta lay.
All right,
You ready?
cool.
Got another one. You ready?
Cool.
There might be another one, too.
You did 3?
I did 5.
All right, lay. You gotta lay
But
flat.
some of
for me
them
so I can
missed.
find you.
Look on her, look through the screen, right?
It's
No,
just those.
only
down
2
there,
hit,
that's all I
okay.
see.
Well, yeah, what's kind just pull it away from her
Defected.
feet. All right. I'm gonna roll back on your side and get off. Okay. Or walk over to a car. Okay, hold on. Bring your feet around.
Wait, ma'am, before you put me up.
Wait, I'm trying to pull my movie, y'all. I know you're not pulling me up right now.
That's not our priority. You want to do too much. That's not our priority right now. Stand up. Stand up.
Wait, you got this thing in my booty still?
No.
What is this poking me?
What
is this? It hurt.
There's nothing there.
Wait, do y'all see that? It's a like
There's
a hole.
nothing there. It's a
Wait,
hole
is
in your
that?
It's probably from you hitting the
burned
brush.
right there though.
That's
Hey,
a prone.
that's probably from you hitting the brush right here. There's gotta be a stick or something.
Wait, can y'all grab my back?
Yep, I got it. Don't worry.
Let's go.
God, her voice is annoying. She talk too much. Can I get this? Can I get that? Can I get this? I need this. Oh, shut the hell up.
Right down the aisle and then nobody picked it up.
Where at?
Yeah, she's right down here, like, when you first hit her on the...
Hey, Calvin, could you describe her name? There's merchandise over here. That's her hat? Yeah, that's the one. She ran.
That's the hat. Going on this side.
Oh boy, leave that motherfucker right there.
Is this all the shit?
She was throwing stuff. She was throwing shit out her
Even down this way.
I heard her say, I don't know what
Oh, as she running, she getting rid of
All right,
stuff.
well, I can just photograph her for now. If you guys happen to find any merchandise, just collect it and bring it in the office.
All right.
I'm gonna go grab my squad. She ran from me. She got tased. She's pretty quick on her feet. I got her. She's pretty quick on her feet.
Yeah.
Give me a nice little run.
Good shake. You got it, though.
Yeah, no, but she seems like she's in better shape than I am. She's in better shape than I am, I can swear to God. But it's also, she ain't carrying 35 pounds of gear.
I'm sorry, Johnny. Huh?
Well, I hope you're learning a lesson, man. Hey, you're pretty quick on your feet, though. We'll say that.
I was.
You're pretty quick on your feet.
You got me fast.
What's that?
I said I wouldn't have put you on the side.
All right. Hey, so here's the deal, okay? You can issue 2 citations for one for retail theft. I'm sure you know why. It's the main reason why we spoke. And the other one for resisting. You can't be doing that. Okay?
But I wasn't really resisting.
You were active resistance is running, right?
Yeah, for everyone.
The moment you run is resistance. And then on the ground, you continue to resist. I'm not resisting, but I'm tensing my arms out. That's resisting. All right? Keep that in mind.
Sorry.
So 2 citations, to me $2,000 in total. I just want to let you know that. Yep. Yep. So.
Yep. Saw that Gucci hat. Saw that Gucci hat and that fake chain you got on. That shit fake as hell. That chain she got, man, that shit ain't had no shine to it or nothing. Fake ass chain, man. But anyway, yeah, so this video was pretty wild, you know. But it's good. The officer is in decent shape because he did catch up to her. Because all you need, because you got the taser, so it's an extension of use, but all you need to do is close the distance just enough to where you could get a nice shot. Boom. Zap they ass. Gone. And you got her. But anyways, overall, I get a cop a 5, man. I get it. I definitely get a cop a 5. I'm glad you made it till the end of the video. Before you go, if you want early access to YouTube videos before they get let out to the public, please consider becoming a channel member. And if you want exclusive access to videos that will not be on YouTube, please consider becoming a Patreon member. And I'll catch you in the next video. The links are in the description box.